Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to set Samsung browser as default on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. Samsung has officially released its browser for Windows 11. I already have a video on how you can install Samsung browser on Windows 11. So I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Now let us discuss how we can set it as a default browser. For that, simply open Samsung browser. Then click on menu icon. Here click on settings. Here click on default browser, and here you will get an option to make Samsung browser your default browser. Simply click on make default. This will open Windows default app settings. Here you will find an option to set default. Click on it and it will make Samsung browser the default browser on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.